Imagine waking up and finding your entire city plunged into darkness. No lights, no internet, no running water. It happened in Spain, and it could happen anywhere. Here's how to get ready before disaster strikes. Tip 1. Stock up on water. Water is your most critical resource. You need at least 3 liters per person per day for drinking alone. Store enough for at least 1 week. Consider adding water purification tablets or portable water filters to your kit in case supplies run low. Don't forget to account for pets and cooking needs when calculating your water reserves. How to store water safely. Store water in food-grade containers with tight-fitting lids. Keep containers in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight. Rotate your stored water every 6 months to ensure freshness. Label each container with the date of storage. Having a secondary method like water purification tablets ensures you can treat questionable water sources. Tip 2. Build a non-perishable food reserve. During a blackout, you won't have access to refrigeration or grocery stores. Stock canned goods, protein bars, dried fruits, and nuts. Choose high-energy, long shelf-life foods that require minimal preparation. Include foods rich in vitamins and fiber to maintain good health during extended outages. Don't forget manual can openers and utensils. Tip 3. Power up with batteries and power banks. Without electricity, lighting and communication become top priorities. Get high-quality battery-powered flashlights, lanterns, and a headlamp for hands-free use. Invest in multiple power banks to keep your phone charged. Solar-powered chargers can also be valuable. Store extra batteries in cool, dry conditions to prolong their shelf life. Alternative light sources. Use LED lanterns and candles with extreme caution. Battery-powered or solar lanterns are safer alternatives. Glow sticks are great for emergency lighting without the risk of fire. Keep flashlights in easily accessible places around your home so you aren't left fumbling in the dark. Tip 4. Prepare your home for darkness. Equip your home with manual can openers, warm blankets, and thermal clothing. Portable gas stoves or camping grills can help you cook safely. Always have extra matches and lighters stored in waterproof containers. Consider investing in a generator, but remember it must be operated outdoors to prevent carbon monoxide buildup. Backup cooking methods. Use propane camping stoves or charcoal grills outdoors. Never cook inside using outdoor equipment to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning. Have simple no-cook meal options available. Practice using your backup cooking gear beforehand so you're confident when you need it most. Tip 5. Keep cash on hand. ATMs and card payment systems fail when the power is down. Always keep a small stash of cash in low denominations at home to cover essentials during an emergency. Consider storing it in a secure, waterproof container. Tip 6. Stay informed with radios. Without internet or mobile service, a hand crank or battery-powered radio becomes vital. Stay tuned to emergency broadcasts and weather updates to know what's happening around you. Save a list of local radio frequencies before a blackout hits. Tip 7. Stock medical supplies. Have a fully stocked first aid kit and extra prescription medications. Think beyond Band-Aids. Include antiseptics, gauze, pain relievers, and any specialized medical gear your family needs. If someone relies on medical equipment, have a backup power source or manual alternative ready. Tip 8. Plan for home security. During widespread blackouts, security systems might fail. Reinforce doors and windows if necessary, and work with trusted neighbors to create a communication plan for emergencies. Keep outdoor areas well lit with solar garden lights that charge during the day. Tip 9. Adapt based on your location. City dwellers should prepare for elevator outages and water shortages. Rural residents must consider isolation risks and backup generators. In urban areas, know the locations of emergency shelters. In rural zones, ensure you have extra fuel and supplies. Keeping warm without power. In colder climates, maintaining body heat becomes critical. Use multiple layers of clothing, sleeping bags rated for cold weather, and seal off one room to conserve heat. Avoid using open flame heaters indoors. Use thick curtains to insulate windows and block drafts. Mental health during blackouts. Extended outages can cause stress, anxiety, and fear. Stay mentally active by having board games, books, and conversation starters ready. Maintain a positive mindset and practice basic breathing exercises to stay calm. Establish a daily routine, even without electricity, to maintain a sense of normalcy. Blackout Kit Essentials Checklist. Prepare a grab-and-go blackout kit with flashlights and extra batteries, power banks and solar chargers, first aid supplies, canned food and manual opener, bottled water, cash in small bills, warm clothing and blankets, portable radio, personal hygiene items, backup chargers, copies of important documents, how to prepare for blackouts with kids and pets. Children and pets have special needs during emergencies. Keep extra diapers, formula, favorite toys, and pet food on hand. Prepare activities to keep children occupied and calm. Ensure pets have secure carriers and updated ID tags. Preparing for long-term blackouts. If the blackout extends for days or weeks, ration supplies carefully. Plan for alternative cooking, waste disposal, and hygiene. Have a backup shelter plan if your home becomes uninhabitable. Identify nearby water sources that can be treated for drinking. Car preparedness. Keep your gas tank at least half full at all times. Equip your car with an emergency kit, food, water, blankets, flashlight, and basic tools. A vehicle can provide temporary shelter if necessary, but avoid running the engine indoors. Essential documents and backups. Store copies of IDs, insurance policies, property deeds, and medical records in a waterproof container. Backup important digital files on a portable drive or encrypted cloud storage. Keep emergency contact lists printed and easy to access. Tip 10. Don't wait until it's too late. The best time to prepare is now. Blackouts can escalate from minor inconveniences to life-threatening emergencies fast. Building your emergency kit today could save lives tomorrow. Blackouts are no longer rare events. Whether it's weather, infrastructure failure, or unexpected disasters, being prepared makes all the difference. Subscribe to Curiosity AI for more survival tips, hidden science, and real-world solutions you won't find anywhere else. Stay safe, stay smart, stay curious.